Our exclusive walk-in tub is the only tub in North America to carry the UL approval. Underwriters Laboratories, arguably one of the most stringent testing labs in the country, has passed this tub from top to bottom and certified this tub as UL listed. The first therapy is hydromassage, and that uses water for pain relief. So there are 4 foot jets located at the bottom of this tub that will help improve circulation. In addition to the 4 foot jets located at the bottom, there are actually 6 back jets. In addition to the water massage, this tub also features an air massage therapy. Air massage is different from the water massage in that it injects preheated air through 18 air jets around the entire perimeter of the tub, producing little itty bitty bubbles, which provides maximum therapy. We also have Chromotherapy. So if you've ever experienced seasonal mood disorder or know people who suffer from seasonal mood disorder, when there's a lack of daylight in the winter, right? They get those big bright lights in to make them feel better. And that same concept is used in this tub for chromotherapy. It enhances the bather's mood through the use of light. So there's an LED light toward the bottom of the tub that will change the color of the water to 46 pastel colors, creating and enhancing a desired mood for the bather. In addition to the chromotherapy, this tub also offers aromatherapy, and that's the use of scent to enhance the bather's mood. The final therapy that we strongly recommend that the bather take advantage of in this tub is the ozone therapy. There is an ozonator in this tub that puts a positive ion charge into the water, creating ozone in the water. And the benefits from the ozonator is it kills bacteria and virus in the water, sanitizing this entire walk-in tub in the process.